Hello, today let's talk about the SONGMICS exercise bike. Yeah, in gray, black, and a little bit of silver, as you can see. This device is so easy with setup, as you can see. It looks really cool. It looks smart and modern designed. And it comes in a big package. And this package you have to load out, and then you can attach everything, but in an easy way. You will only need two branches and one tool to attach this. That means a total tool of 3 is enough to attach this device. You will start with the paddles. You will start with the bottom ground ceiling. You will go to the next parts, and you will end at the computer above. That's all what you have to attach. That's really easy. And then it's possible to fold it up easily. Not everybody wants an exercise bike sitting in the middle of their living room all day. And that's okay. When we're finished burning off some calories from last night's feast, we fold it up and roll it over to the closed with the bottom wheels. And we get fit in silence, the exercise to the max, without waking up our family or blocking the sound of the morning news. With 8 resistance levels on this exercise bike, we can increase our power without increasing our noise. And we see everything. Clearly read our speed, calories burned, distance, and timing on the large display screen. This foldable bike boosts. Watch movies or television on our phone or tablet with the attached electronic holder. With us in mind, adjustable to 6 different heights to fit various body types. The wide, padded seat also provides us a relaxed, comfortable sitting position, good for riders up to 220 pounds. The heavy-duty steel structure offers us a stable, smooth ride. And a foldable exercise bike with a translucent, streamlined flywheel shell, which helps us enhance our cardiovascular workouts. It builds our body and burns some calories. That's really cool. We boost our fitness level with this ideal exercise bike from SONGMICS. We will be able to practice effectively muscle and endurance training and promote healthy digestion. No more running on treadmills that damage our knees or freezing outside in the elements. When we stick with this exercise bike, we will get an effective workout in the comfort of our own home. Or, of course, outdoor if it's not raining. Then you can see it's workout in the free land too possible. And who wants to uncomfortable while the exercise? Anybody? Nobody. This foldable exercise bike from SONGMICS boasts a 220-pound maximum weight capacity and a more comfortable widened and adjustable seat that lets us get fit and burn some calories without discomfort. And with detailed and easy simply assembly and super simply storage. It is so nice to attach, so fast to attach, and so fast to store it easily. That's the really awesome SONGMICS exercise bike. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.